Hi, I'm Wei from Signature Bukit Jalil. So I'm today at my client's house, Celine and Mr. Brian. Based on their request, they like simple and Japanese style. So we proposed them a minimalist design to them. Celine requests a space for storage for her house, but she don't know where can have the area to put storage. Based on their request, I proposed the cabinet, which is the combination that you can see is the storage cabinet and the TV cabinet. She wants to have a TV cabinet here. She don't want to make it too empty. You can see there's a photo panel that I proposed to her, and then also it will show until the ceiling full height. I proposed a drawer between these two cabinets so that she can put a lot of storage, like the tiny one in this drawer. After that, can put the display on this tabletop. After the drawer, you can see I have proposed a glass cabinet for my client so that she can put her collection on this cabinet. This is an open concept kitchen which together with a functional island. It covered by a beautiful waterfall quartz with a two-sided and also have an elevator plug. Previously, it don't have any wiring in this place, so we had and also consumed a new wiring for the island. This is the master bedroom. I propose a very minimal storage for her room. So this one is the additional storage for her to put the bags and also some mini storage here. So this is one of the room, and I turn it into a walk-in wardrobe. So clothes and luggage all is in the wardrobe. All the folding purpose is in this drawer. So I hope you enjoy this video and like my design. Thank you very much.